Miss Nicole here for a garden time lesson. Today we're doing a science experiment with vegetables. You can set up this experiment at home using a variety of vegetables. You could try romaine lettuce, scallions, celery, carrot, potato, avocado seed, and set up this will it regrow experiment as you'll see in this video. So here is a drawing of a plant. You could see the roots here, the leaves, and the stem. Now, a plant needs energy in order to survive. Just like we need energy in order to survive, we get our energy from eating food. Plants get their energy by making their own food. They use water that gets sucked up through the roots, through the stem, and up into the leaves. They use air that goes into the leaves, and they use sunlight that also goes into the leaves. Once the leaf has all three of these ingredients, sunlight, air, and water, it mixes them together and makes energy for the plant. This is called photosynthesis. So the plant makes energy in its leaves. We'll use this red marker to show the energy. And it is then sent to all the other parts of the plant. It goes into the new leaves, goes into the other leaves, it goes down through the stem and into the roots. And now the plant has this energy to keep growing and surviving. Here I have a head of romaine lettuce from the grocery store. I'm going to cut off the bottom 2 inches to use for our experiment. The top, the leaves, is the part we eat. I'm going to save that to make a salad later. They're crunchy, sweet, and nutritious. So a plant makes its energy in its leaves, doing photosynthesis. So the leaf uses sunlight, air, and water that gets sucked up into the leaf from the roots and makes energy for the whole plant. The energy is used in the leaf and it goes through the stem and is used in all the other parts of the plant. And often it's stored in the roots. The energy is saved in the roots so that the plant can grow more. So if the leaves get cut off, like I cut these leaves off, if this still had roots and the leaves got cut off, there would be enough energy saved in the roots for the plant to grow more leaves. So a lot of plants save their energy. They store their energy so that they can regrow. Now, if this lettuce plant was still alive, was still growing in the ground, and you cut the leaves, it would probably have enough energy stored to grow leaves again. But I wonder if now that I've cut this off, it's no longer growing in the ground and has roots, I've cut off the leaves, will it have enough energy saved or stored in this bottom part of the plant here in order to grow more leaves? I wonder. So a scientist asks wonder questions, sets up an experiment to find out an answer, makes a guess or prediction about what they think is going to happen, observes the experiment to see what happens, and gets their answer. So my wonder question today is, will this romaine lettuce grow more leaves? Does it have enough energy stored and saved in here to grow its leaves again? The experiment I'm going to set up is putting it in water. I just have a dish of water here. I'm going to put it in. And I'm going to leave it by my windowsill here. And I'm going to watch to see if it will grow leaves again. This is the experiment I'm setting up. I predict or guess that it will have enough energy to grow more leaves. That is my prediction, my guess. What do you predict is going to happen? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to observe this again in 1 week and 2 weeks, and I will make a video to show you again so you can see what happened. If you have romaine lettuce at home, you can try the same thing. Cut off the leaves, leaving this much, put it in a bowl of water, and I'm going to put it by the sunlight because I think that will help. And then you can see what will happen. You can also try this experiment with scallions. As you can see here, we've taken a bunch of scallions, cut off the bottom, just like we did with the romaine lettuce. They still have roots. Put them in a jar with water, and then we'll see if they also regrow some parts. And that is our science experiment lesson for today. Thank you for watching, scientists. See you next time.